I thought the best way to introduce Caron Business Solutions is through a client. So this slide shows the open pit from one of our most important clients with an operation in West Africa. At Caron, we do what we do because it's vitally important to the success of our clients. When we work with our clients, mining companies or others, the solutions we implement stay with them for many years. I mean, an ERP solution is not an easy solution to move off of, and we know that. So we take our work very seriously. We're somewhat unique in the field of ERP consulting is that we focus just on the mining industry. And this focus enables us to deliver our projects without the usual learning curve where our clients have to teach us about mining. You don't have to do that with us. We get it. So what does it really mean to support mining? Well, it really means limiting our work to four industries. First, of course, mining companies. The bulk of our clients are Canadian mining companies, but we also support the companies that support our clients, right? So every mine in the world's got a supply room. We support the distributors who get the product to your supply room. We also work with manufacturers of mining equipment, and on occasion we've worked with construction companies that help our clients to build the mines. So that's our scope. That's the introduction to Caron, and as you can see, mining is really the center of our world. We hope you found this useful. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us.